and girls, I hope you all are fine and keeping yourself safe from coronavirus. Today we are going to start with our lesson number 4 in moral science. Let us read and grow. Now if we read about all the important leaders, whether they are of India or from all around the world, we come to know that all of them were fond of reading, and it is their reading habit that make them grow and become such important leaders. So let us read about a few important leaders around the world. So our first important leader is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was born in a highly rich family in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. And when his marriage was fixed, he said that he will not take any dowry. But when people insisted, he said, I will only accept few good books to read. So this habit of reading Tilak developed in his early life, and it enabled him to become an important leader in future life. Abraham Lincoln, he was the President of America, and he was born and brought up in a very poor family background. But still, whatever money he could get, he made a library at home. He read all the books available in his house as well as all the books which were available within the span of 50 kilometers around his house. Maxim Gorky, he was a famous Russian writer. He also lost his parents when he was just 10 years old. He worked as a cobbler to earn his bread, but still he found time to read when he was working as a laborer and sweeper. And this reading habit, because of this, he became a famous literary writer. Dr. Samuel Johnson, he was a great personality who wrote an English dictionary, and it was an amazement to the English world. He also belonged to a very poor family, but his interest in reading directed him towards glory, and he became a renowned poet, essayist, and dramatist. Michael Faraday, he was a famous scientist, and when he was 13 years old, he had to stop his schooling to earn money for the family. But somebody bought an encyclopedia to him, and he read the pages of that book with great passion. He became an assistant to a famous scientist, Humphrey Davy, and later on he made an electric generator which was noticed by the world and made an industrial revolution in Europe. Mahatma Gandhi, everybody knows about him, and he has written in his autobiography about the books that made an impact on his life. The message of the book Unto This Last helped him to identify with the poor. Srimati Indira Gandhi, she was a former Prime Minister, and the book that inspired her to become a political leader was the biography of Joan of Arc. So even she was very fond of reading the books. Saint Chavra said that bad books are like fire kept in straw. So we have to be very careful about the kind of books that we read. We must only read the kind of books that are good, like spiritual books, biographies, autobiographies, or inspirational books, because these books will help us to grow intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. So I hope all of you have understood the benefits of good reading, because reading good books leads to good thinking. It activates our memory. They help us to build good character, improves our communication and vocabulary, and also they increase our knowledge. I hope all of you have understood the importance of reading books. So keep reading books.